How to add a photo in the comments on a TikTok video. If you also want to comment a picture on someone's TikTok video, then make sure to watch this video till the end. The method is very simple. First, open your TikTok application. Once the TikTok app is open, go to the video where you want to post a picture in the comments. Let me show you. I'll open the comments section of a video by tapping on the comment icon. As soon as the comment section opens, you'll see a gallery icon at the bottom right corner of your phone screen. Tap on that gallery icon. As soon as you tap it, your phone's gallery will open. Now, select the picture you want to post in the comment. Once you've selected the picture, if you want to add some text on top of the image, you can do that too. Let me add some text here for demonstration. After adding text, you'll see a red arrow button right below the comment section. Tap on that arrow button. As soon as you click the arrow, your comment will be posted. Now, as you can see, your picture has been successfully added to the comments of that TikTok video. In this way, you can very easily post any photo in the comments of TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.